You know who that is, don't you?
Who is that?
That is Ryan Mayung, a.k.a. Freestyle. You do not want to get on the back of that bike. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's your anthem. Everyone now put your hands up. Now put your hands up. Can you put it up? Can you raise it up? Let the camera bounce like you getting crunk. I'm in my zone right now. I'm in the groove right now. I sing along with the song like wow. Yeah, I sing that makes me move. Get loose.
I'm gonna let these guys do a thing. Not trying to talk over those bikes. Each one of those bikes, this one is a Kawasaki, but each one of them is a 250. Young man coming in now, that is Trevor Cartmill. Trevor Cartmill is also known as Fashionably Late. Self-taught trick rider, maniac. He is a local rider from Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Really started ripping it up when he was in the middle school. Either one of these guys are afraid to try any of the hardest stunts. But Trevor, when he's not riding, he spends his time working for Rocky Mountain ATV. You can follow him on Instagram at Trevor Cartmill 59. Again, Trevor Cartmill.
Everybody just rock tonight. Everybody just dance if you're feeling high.
We'll see who's going to be first. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Live Your Dreams FMS.
Like a birthday bash. Got disco balls and crystal halls. These singles rock your faces off. In the moment, freeze it, hold it. Hands coming down one time like you own it.
You gotta see it to me as they make their final runs through here, double checking the carpet that's laid out, making sure they're going to be able to grip it and rip it, because they're going to have some speed and height to be able to get to that jump. Ladies and gentlemen, Live Your Dreams. Now, while the guys make their way back, I will tell you, Trevor, the young man that went first, he hasn't hit that ramp in 9 months. But he's been hitting it all day long as they practice. Both these guys have ridden with the members of the Nitro Circus and have trained at Cowboy Kenny Bartman's house. Let's watch them once again. Now, Ryan Mayung. I don't know, you think I could have any more of you folks? Yeah, I do too. All right. Live your dreams. Hope these guys actually can go with it. I don't know. All right, here we go again. Trevor Cartmill. So far, so good. I don't know. Do they have more? Could they possibly have more? Come on, folks. Let's see again, Trevor Cartmill. Trying to make his move once again. Get a little rock and roll. Pretty cool. All right. right there once again. Trevor Carmill coming in. Going to give back Honda another run for him. Wow.
Dead airspace on the music. I don't even power my Pepsi booth. There it went again. Something's overloading. Do those on a video game. Now this is a real bike night.